guys, it's Ashley for Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing Flair and Paper. This is a monthly stationery subscription box. So basically most of the items, I think all of them, maybe one or two items are from other companies, but mostly everything is from Flair and Paper, who is a stationery greeting card company. Each box contains 4 to 5 greeting cards, 1 to 2 stationery items. Every month it's a new design and a new theme. Every box is $19.99. I don't know why I said every box. Monthly subscriptions are $19.99 though, but with reduced prices for longer subscription terms. This box is beautiful. I love this. This is the June box, so as per usual, I'm late. So I'm looking at the clock. I don't know why. I'm curious to see what's in here because when I pop the top, it looks super beauteous. Summer Fresh, that's our theme. Welcome to your Summer Fresh Flair and Paper box. We've curated a special collection designed to usher in the freshness of summer. I know that I was really surprised when I saw the first box because I just thought there was so much in it. It says you're going to love what's inside. It's so pretty. Okay. First on top is washi tape. I love this. If you read my blog, you know I used to always use this for like address labels and stuff to cover up my address. This is like a plant-like kind of design. It's really pretty though. All right, next we have, all right, so these are our actual greeting cards. So there should be 4 to 5. They're all blank inside. The outside designs are different. A birthday wish. So this is a birthday with a little cupcake and it's like green. Next we have a you did it. So you could give this to somebody for any particular reason you like. Maybe they got a new job. Maybe they broke up with a toxic boyfriend. I don't know. You never know. All right. Then there's a Happy Father's Day, which would have, hey, if I had actually unboxed this on time, I'll keep it for next year, right? But I love the green, like the, is it called Monstera? That palm, you know what I mean? So there's that. And then there's going to be 5 cards. There's a thank you, which is super pretty. And these come in handy all the time. I actually have like a shoebox that I just through when I need a card. Funny, beautiful, smart. You kind of remind me of me. Oh, I love that. That's perfect. I'm going to give that to one of my kids at some point when they do something great. All right. So those are our actual greeting cards. Let me get them all in order here. Okay. So, oh, how cute! Our next item is a little calendar for June. I missed it. But isn't it pretty? But you can use this for other months too. Or for like just little pictures. It's like almost like a little easel. And you can put your little calendar on it and display it. That's super pretty. All right, and then our final item. No, there's a pen in here. Oh, here it is. Oops. A green pen. The cat came off. Yikes. This is from Lay Pen, who actually have a few items from them. I don't think they're pens, though. Is that weird? I think they're like colored pencils, maybe. So it's green because it goes with the theme of the box. And then our notebook. So this is from Flair and Paper. Look at the pretty design. Oh, how beautiful. Let's see the inside. It's lined, so it is ruled, so you can write in it like a journal. It's gorgeous. I love these boxes. I just think they're nice to open if you just like to have stuff on hand to write notes. If you're into that, this is perfect for you. It's only $19.99, so it makes sense. It's better than going out and buying 4 greeting cards at retail prices where you'd pay 40 bucks. It's just absolutely exorbitant if you ask me. It's really cute. So if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Flair and Paper so you can check them out. My co-host and I say goodbye. Swifty. Psst, psst, psst. You gonna say goodbye? Come here. Come here. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.